Welcome to Art Adventures with Priyanka. Today we're going to embrace the beauty of watercolors and create a very simple and basic artwork which will make the understanding of watercolors very easy for you. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial and I'm going to focus on color blending today, keeping the artwork very simple and very basic. So here is my simple sketch ready. Let's start with the fun part of watercolors now. So I'm starting with a clear wash on small areas rather than on the whole area to be painted, and then applying complementary pigments of my choice. Since this is a heart and flower painting, I keep the colors flowery and bright. So you will see that a clear wash helps in the blending of pigments very nicely and effortlessly. So clear wash on a small area and then applying pigment of medium consistency, neither too watery nor too thick. Again clear wash, again some other pigment, painting the whole area like this. So here you see my effort is the minimum and it is the water which is doing all the part of blending the pigments, creating a beautiful background for further work. Once one layer of paint is done, in case you wish, you can darken some selected areas to make them darker and brighter. So guys, this is our basic technique of blending in watercolors. I feel this is one of the easiest and the most basic heart paintings. Simple ideas like these can form very beautiful greeting cards as well. Once the surface is dry, it is ready for any further work on it. I'm starting with some doodle work here using my 0.9 mm glitter gel pen. If you wish, you can use colored pens or even colored pencils for this work. I felt the need of further highlighting the flowers and the leaves, so I'm applying more pigment on them. This artwork is just an example. You can do any basic drawings of your choice and paint backgrounds with suitable complementary pigments using this beautiful technique of blending. So guys, this was our beautiful artwork for today. I hope you liked the tutorial. In case you like it, please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in yet another exciting tutorial. Till then, stay safe, keep happy, goodbye.